Hello friends, today in this video I am going to explain you how to test and configure SMTP server with Magnolia. For this I am using this open source SMTP server. You can also use this with your development environment to check the functionality of email with Magnolia. This SMTP you can also use with other application like Spring Boot, Spring MVC and other Java application, JSP servlet like that. So this we are going to use in our video, and then I will tell you what is the steps for that, and now we can start. And what we have to do, we have to log in Magnolia Author. So I will log in here by using same credential, super user and super user. Now I logged in, and here I will search SMTP. So you will see the results, and here what you need to select. Yeah, this one. You can directly go to this path, module mail config SMTP. Otherwise you can search. So we will go here, and we will see what we have here. So here you can see we have that port, security and the server. So this you can change as per your requirement or setup, and this also you can change with your setup, whatever you have in terms of port. And security you can also check whatever setup you have with email server. So here I am using the same local host as a host, and port I am using 2500. So I will change this port. Now I've changed, and then here we have that authentication. So do not touch anything here. The thing what we have changed, that's this port, and nothing, I guess. So what I will do, I will close this, and I will go to this uh, navigation button, and I will click that. And after that I will tell you two things. First is like we will do with without authentication, and then we will move to the second part with authentication. So in the first part I will explain you how we can send or test email without authentication if your SMTP server doesn't use authentication. So for this I will go to this mail tool, and here you can see what I have changed there. It is reflected here, 2500 as port. And yeah, now we will go with this one, second tab, and here we can see we can test that email server. So I will select this option, and I will click on this button. But before that I will show you the here we don't have any email. So this is, you can say, some kind of um mailbox inbox. So this is having no emails that you can see here. And now I will click on this button, send test mail, and then we'll see we have that message: simple email has been sent to test@xyz.com. Yeah, I have forget to mention one more process, that is like To test this SMTP server, you have to go to here and edit profile, and you have to put the email address whatever you want. You can put here, and then you have to put you have to click on this save changes button. Then only you will be able to send or test email in Magnolia. So here we can do refresh. Yeah, now you can see that SMTP server, it is successfully tested here. We have sent that test email, and now we have got this email here. So this is one part, and now second part, what we will do, we will configure the username and password. For this authentication, we have to go to again this mail, and here I have selected no authentication required. Now I will put this one, authentication with username and password. So I will put username and password here, and then we will test SMTP server configuration. For this password, we have password setup here. So what we have to do in the Magnolia, normally if you want to put any password or something, then you have to use this app. So it is you can say it's a it is this app is particularly used for that managing password inside the application. So what I will do, I will create a folder, and I will rename this one here, and I will write SMTP, and then I will this one, and then I will use this button. I will write here local, then my password, yeah, and I will save the changes. Yeah, now it is created. Now I will go back to that mail tool, and here we have that username and password. What I will do, I will put that username test at the rate xyz.com. Yeah, and this I what I will do, I will select the password from here. You can see here whatever we have created in password app, it is showing here, and you can select that local, because we have created local profile there with password. So you can select, you can do save changes, and now we have that password, username, and what we will do, we will save these changes. So we have again save the changes, and you can see that configuration saved. Now we will go back again this verify setup, and here we will use the same option, mail with plain text. If you want any kind of attachment, you can use the second option, and you can put that attachment. You can select the attachment in the attachment, and then you can test that. So now again I will click on this button, send test email. Now you can see simple email has sent to test@xyz.com. Now what we will do, we will go back this screen, and we will do again refresh, and now you can see the second email. So yeah, now we have successfully configured our SMTP server, as well as tested successfully our SMTP server with both the cases, without authentication and with authentication. So now I will complete here this video, and uh, next video we will learn something new. Please subscribe, comment, and like. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.